We're going to show you how to do an ID card copy on the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M183 printer. So this is the card that we want to copy, and we'll copy on both sides. Let's place it onto the flatbed scanner. Open the scanner lid and we'll place the card face down this way. Then close the scanner lid. On the control panel, if the printer is in a sleep mode, you can press on the cancel button to wake it up. Then you press on this ID copy button over here. Select OK. You can toggle between color and black and white ID copy. We'll select color and press on OK. You will copy the first side of the ID card. Once it's copied, it will prompt you to load the document in a different position. So open the scanner lid, and now we'll place the ID card slightly below where it was first placed. Once that is done, press OK, and it will copy the second side of the ID. So you can load multiple IDs if needed, provided it can fit onto an A4 size page. For now, we will press the copy to print the two sides of the ID card. And here is the printout of your ID card. So this is how you do an ID copy on the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M183 printer.